Igama leNkosi malibongwe. Bazalwane, ngibe nombono izolo ebusuku. Isitha-ke sinayo lento yokuthi umoya ongcwele mangabe kukhona into ayambulile, mangabe usukhumbula ukuthi kukhona into umoya ongcwele ayambulile, ebese isitha sifike ne-spirit of doubt, sikwenza ucabanga ukuthi no, you were just thinking about it, it was not God that was speaking to you. But then God wins always, it always God ekugcineni. Ngibone uJesu emafini, not emafini, ubengekho phakathi emafini, ubemi phezu kwamafu, egqoke le ngubo ende. Phezu kwale ngubo ende kunento abeyigaqile engathi ayibe purplish noma bluish, lo bluish uthaba purplish kanjalo egaqile. Ukhulume nje once wathi hamba uyotshela abantu ukuthi ngiyabuya. Kwayiloko nje kuphela bazalwane, nothing more. Angifuni ukuthi ngize ngiqamba amanga, akashongo lutho okudlula lokho. Iloko nje, ileyo message nje uJesu ayibeke kumina. Amen.